Okay, can you see the screen here? My Excel screen.
Yes.
Okay. If I say 23 multiply by 11, how much it is? 23 multiplied by 11.
53. Is the answer 253?
253.
Yeah.
And how did you calculate this?
23 into 10 plus 20.
23 multiply by 10, then add 23.
Okay. This is your idea. Very good. Because you are playing with the numbers now and you are not remembering in the table of 11. That is a great idea. But sometimes it helps to get a shortcut. Shortcut is, you see here 23, I am highlighting this 2 with red. This is 2. Okay. In answer you see, it is 253. See the pattern here. 23, 2. 23, take 2 from it and you see here it is 2. Right? And 23, 3 is here. And what is sitting in between 2 and 3? The sum of 2 and 3. 2, 3.
This
Take both of these, add them up and put it together.
Multiply by 1 plus 23.
Now multiply 45.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Is this applicable with only 11 or any other number?
No, this trick is only for 11. You see 45 multiply 11, 4 as it is, 5 as it is, 4 and 5 take together, insert it between 9, 495. Answer. 1 second answer. Now 36 multiply 11, take 3, take 6, 6 plus 3 add, insert it between 396. Answer.
There is only some minutes remaining.
1 hour is gone. My goodness.
No.
How much is the time?
11 minutes or something.
Okay. Okay. Now this, you understood this one? So same way, when you come to your seventh digit, multiply by 11 and give them the answer mentally. But you will say, here, you see the middle digit is less than 9, all cases. If it is 60, this one, 56. You see here, 56 multiply 11. Then how do we do it? Take 5. Here, take 5. Write 5. And out of 56, write 6 here. Okay? Now what we were supposed to do?
Excuse me, sir.
5 and 6 add and add, insert in between, right? 5 plus 6 is 11 now.
Yeah.
So what I do? I
So
insert
change the 100 place.
What?
Change the 100.
Yes, 1 is a carryover. So it goes to 5. So this 5 becomes what? 6.
6.
That way. Yeah. So you have to just take carryover. Now you say 98 multiply 11. Can you do it? Yes. Simply write 9 here, 8 here, and 9 plus 8, insert it between 9 plus 8 is 17. So we write 7 here, but the 9 becomes 10.
So 9 becomes 10.
1078 is the answer. So 1078. Okay, now we say 76 multiply 11.
How do we do 4? 459
here.
into 11.
Here, 6 here, 7 and 6, 13, 3 in between, but because 1 has to be carried over, so it becomes 8, 836.
How about 459 into 11?
Now you are asking. I need this kind of students who go for Okay, now 2 digits are taken care. What about 3? This guy is like rocket. He's asking 2 is done. Now what about 3? So we have to tell him. How do we multiply 3 digits by 11?
9180.
Yes. I will tell you. Now we have to go to whiteboard to do it. I will tell you how to do multiply by 11. Okay. Now you can do 76. Okay. So suppose you made a Fibonacci series just now with 12 and 8.
Are you going to the blackboard?
7th digit is 124. You need to multiply 124 to 11, right? This is the question. This is going to be little tricky, but see what we are doing. Is it something very high mathematics we are doing? Right? It is simple
No.
mathematics. Anybody who has knowledge of, yes, go ahead. Okay, so I will tell you 3-digit multiplication, how we do it. Okay, I will shift the camera to whiteboard and I will show you how to do 3-digit multiplication with 11. Not only 11, with 12, with 13, with 14, with 15, with 16, with 17, with 18. Mentally. Yes. Any number, 3 numbers with this. And not only 3, you can do it with 2 numbers. Okay, just you have to spend a little more time. We are going to go over time now. It is almost only 6 minutes remaining. This question is little tricky, but I will answer you. Okay, just hold on. Look at the camera, this whiteboard now. Okay, see, here we made this series for you. You see, we started with 7. It is blocking the view. So the generalized Fibonacci series 7 we took, then we took 8. 7 and 8 is 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 plus 15 is 38. 38 plus 23 is 61. 61 plus 38 is 99. 99 plus 61 is 160. 160 plus this is 259, 419. Now, what is the sum of all of it together?
It is
Right? From 7 till here. What is the sum of all? What I say? Take
7
number
plus
7
8.
here. Multiply by 11. 99 multiply by 11 and here would be your answer. So what we did, 99 yes, 9 plus 9. So we write 9 here. So we write 9 here. 9 plus 9 is 18. So we write 8 here. Okay, but 18. So this 9 will become
10.
10. 1089 is the answer. And the sum is also 1089. So whenever we do recreational mathematics, it is not just fun. It is also mathematics practice, right? See, we were doing just little puzzles. And what we ended up doing, learning about primes. We learned about divisibility. We learned about Fibonacci series. We learned about generalized Fibonacci series. We learned about additions. We learned about how to
Multiplication.
multiply by 11. So much. Just a little question about flowers led us here. This is how we build things one upon another. Okay, so this is 99 only, but again you see here 6 plus 3 is 9, 3 plus 9 is 12, 9 plus 12 is 21. We made this series and ultimately what we do, 10 numbers here, 258. Now 7th number we take 54, multiply by 11 to get the total. So say 54 plus multiply 11. Now you can tell me just immediately, right? 54 multiply 11, how much? 5? 4 and insert it between 5 here, 4 here, and insert 9 in between. 594 is the answer. Now we are saying how to do 3-digit multiplication. Like here. Do you see this 892 multiply 12?
Yes.
This is the way. The same method will go to 11. The same method will be used in 12. The same method would be used in 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Any digit you can replace here and use the same method. You want to spend time on it?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
I
See,
didn't
you
understand.
have 3 digits. No problem. This is 3 digits. 892. 11 is easier, so we will tackle it later. We will take multiply by 12 now. Mentally, huh? 892 multiply 12. Where, if you can have a piece of paper, start writing. Answer
बोले
is
मैं आ
this.
जाएगी तो बता दूंगा। मैं तभी आ जाऊंगा। बोले अभी
10,704 is the answer.
मंगवा नहीं। बोल तो रहा था आज के लिए।
Okay, 10,704 is the answer. But here we are multiplying 892 with 12. How do we do it? First you do is one thing. 100 place 8. Okay? You write as is.
Take 8 as it is.
Okay? Write 8. As it is, you write 8 here.
8 multiplied by 2 is 16 plus 9 is 25.
Yes. This method would be used in all. First digit 8 goes straight away here. This is the answer we are calculating. We write 8 here as it is. The first digit, write 8. Okay? Done. So we have the first digit clear, 8. Now you do one thing. 8 you multiply with 2. 2. Okay? Because this digit will change. It will be 11 sometimes. It will be 13 sometimes. It will be 14. So when you are multiplying with 12, multiply with 2. When you are multiplying with 11, multiply with 1. When you are multiplying with 14, start multiplying with 4. So right now 2 is the number because we are multiplying with 12. 8 multiply 2. How much? 16? Right? 16 and add the next number. What is the next number here? 9.
9.
16 plus 9 is 25. So we write 5 here and 2 goes here. 5. Answer is coming now. This is step. Third, you do the same thing with 9. 9 you multiply with 2. You see here? 9 you multiply with 2 and add the next number. 9, 2 plus 2, 20. So you write 0 here, 2 is carry forward. The same thing we do with 2. 2 multiply with 2 and add nothing because there is no number in front of it. Answer is 4. So we write 4058. 4058. This is the carry forwards. Only you have to add carry forwards now. 4 as it is, 0 as it is, 5 plus 2, 7, 8 and 2, 10. 10,704. One number multiply with 2, add 2 next. Number multiply with 2, add 2 next. This one is little tricky because it involves 3 digits. Okay? The same thing. 892, we do it 312. Look here. We will do the same calculation with 312. Here, 312 multiply 13. This will make things clear for you.
405.
When you have to do this, simply bring 3 as it is. This is what I say, 3 as it is. Okay, now what I say, our 1 hour is up. If you don't mind, we can go further or whatever you say. Should we go on?
Yes, we should go on.
Okay. See, when we say 312 multiply 13, simple. 3 as it is. Okay? 3 as it is. Now, once you write 3 as it is, 3 you multiply with this 3. How much? 9. 9 you add to next number. 1. 10. So we write 0. But 1 is carry forward, so we write 1 here. Now same thing we do with 1. 1 we multiply with 3 and add to next number. 1 multiply 3 is what? 3 and add to next number is 5. So we write 5. Simple. And 2 you multiply with 3, add nothing. 6. But you see 3056. But you remember this 1 was there. Carry forward. So answer is 4056. You do 5 sums like this and you will be calculating 3 digits multiplied by 13, 14, 15, 16, just like this. Can we do the same thing with 12 now? Instead of 13, can we do it with 12? See, when we do it with 12, how we will do it? First, what we will do? First thing, bring 3 as it is. Right? The first thing is 3 as it is. Now what we will do? 3 multiply this 2 now. 6 plus 1. 3 multiply this number plus next number. That is 7. Now the same thing with 1. 1 multiply with this 2 plus next number. 1 multiply 2 is 2 plus next number is 4. So we write 4 here. And 2 multiply 2 plus nothing, 4. Now get your calculators and check it if the answer is correct. 312 multiply 12. 3744. Same thing you can do with 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we do it with 11. We do it with 11 now. So we do with 11 here. Okay, we will delete this. So how we went about? 3 as it is. So we write 3 as it is. Now 3 multiplies this number, right? Because last time it was 12, so we multiplied by 2. And this time it is only 1. So simple. 3 1 is 3 plus next number 1. So 3 1 is 3 plus 1 4. Now again same thing with 1.
So if it is over 1, then you just keep adding them.
But we have to explain, because if you have wrapped your head around it, that doesn't mean that everybody would understand. It took you also time, me also time. Everybody takes their own time. The same way, 3 1 is 3 plus next number. Now 1 1 is 1 plus next number is 1 1 is 1 plus next number is what? 3. And 2 1 is 2. 3432 is the answer. Now, do you know how do you calculate multiply 3 digits? 312 by 11. The same way, if you change this number, suppose I change this to now 5. Can you still do it with 11? Very simple. Bring bring 5 as it is. Now 5 multiply this number 1. 5 1 is 5 plus next number, that is 5 1 is 5 plus 1. How much? 6. The same way 1 1 is 1 plus next number. 1 is 1 and next is 3. And 2 1 is 2. 5,632 is the answer. And the same thing you can do with, can you do it now with 12? With 12 also same thing you have to do. Five 1 2 by 12. 5
Sir,
as it is.
I have to go. I have a class.
Yes, go ahead, please. No problem. Thank you very much. This video will be there on Facebook. You can watch. We are also
Really?
wrapping up now. This is the last. No problem. That is fine. Thank you. Thank you very much. And we look forward to meeting you again.
Thank you,
And
sir.
you can watch the rest of the.
Bye.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Tomorrow or
Bye,
see
bye.
you next class.
So same way, 5 1 2 multiply 12. You say 5 as it is. 5 multiply 2, 10 plus next one. Right? But 12, so this 5 will become 6 now. Now 1 multiply 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 multiply 2 is 4. 6,144. This is a very, very easy procedure once you get the hang of it. I will take a complete class and then you will understand more about it. Maybe if you can watch this video, you can start doing some practice on your own. So this is a very easy exercise. The same thing can be applied from numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All numbers, the same thing. Yes. So this is the basic thing. And now what we did today is, if we say the wrap up part of it, we started with Fibonacci sequence in nature, that is flowers and leaves, and we started to explore how the Fibonacci sequence is kind of a pattern we can get familiar with. And then we made a generalized Fibonacci pattern. We made a trick, and then the prime numbers we discussed. We didn't discuss a lot of things. And tell me one thing: did this all of this presentation, all of this class, have you seen any higher level mathematics in it? It is simple addition, multiplication, and subtraction. And with all this, you can have so much fun, right?
Are you giving a summary?
Yeah, we didn't use any high level algebra, higher level calculus, solid level mathematics. No, we didn't use it. We are just using the patterns, small, anything that a grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 person can understand. Now the problem is we keep progressing in grades, but we don't really understand mathematics. This is why when we progress further, we get stuck, because we have not yet fallen in love with mathematics. We have not started to recognize patterns. So recognizing patterns need to start early. Mathematics is really fun when you love the numbers, and you will love the numbers when they are presented to you beautifully. So nothing could be more beautiful than nature and the Fibonacci pattern. And we will be You see, mathematics in nature, there are volumes and volumes of books. I cannot cover it in one session. We have only covered a little bit of it. When you go out, look for some question, you find some question, write to me. I would try to answer you. And now, if you have any questions, please ask, or we will wrap up the session.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, can you
Go ahead.
will you log this? Sir, will you put this video on Facebook?
Yes, it will go live on Facebook. It is not going live on Facebook because I have some trouble with Zoom, because Zoom is not broadcasting it live. So I am recording it, and the recording I will upload on Facebook, so you can see. And one more thing, when you are watching, you can also record at your end.
Sir, it says that it doesn't allow, sir. It doesn't allow us to record.
It doesn't allow. I will check. I will see if there is a setting from my side. I would allow all the users, because you are all, no, there is no problem in that. And I will upload it on Facebook. Don't worry, it will be there. Okay. And if you have any questions, any discovery that you make, share it with me. I would learn with you. I don't say that I know everything. I always tell you, like, you see this calculation I did? I didn't tell you that I did it mentally. I told you my secret. I did it in Excel. So don't think that the big boys are somebody teaching you mathematics knows everything. No, 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 no. You know who knows mathematics? Mathematics is something that you will know only if you do mathematics. You are doing mathematics, you will know mathematics. If you are not doing mathematics, you will not know. So do a lot of mathematics, do recognize patterns, find it, and write to me. We will explore together. If there is something that I don't know, I would learn. Any other questions, please?
I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
So, see, why do they make 3 plates of ceiling fan? Why not 5 plates? But 5 plate is also a Fibonacci number.
5 is also a Fibonacci number.
No, why don't they make it 5 plates?
No, look, there are two ways of looking at things. You are looking for Fibonacci in nature, but you are able to find it because it is already there. You understand? Somebody has written the universe in mathematical language. We are using mathematics as a tool to dig and find the gems. One here, one there. But it is already there. But when you make fans, it is you who is creating. It is not written. So you decide you need 3, you need 2, you need 5. You decide. But nature is already done. It is a done job. Now corona is developing. Corona is changing shape. You know how much mathematics is there in corona's cells? Lot of mathematics. There are fractal patterns. A lot of mathematics is going on. This is how the DNA and all are very, very difficult. So we'll see.
Sir,
Yes, go ahead.
sir, I have a question that like you said, we can do 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Can that go more than the 10, like 20, 30, 40?
20, 30, 40 things are different. Only one, you see here, the last digit. I will shift the screen just for a while.
No, sir, like
You see
20,
here
20,
this number.
25,
No,
26.
20 things are different. No. There is a key to it. We will do it one by one. You see, this number can vary. This number, instead of 12, it could
Yes, sir.
be 7, it could be 13, it could be 14, it could be 15, 16, 17, any. In order to make this equation, 5 as is 5 multiply this number plus next number, 5 multiply this number plus next number. This
So, sir, it
only for.
So it won't work for like 25, 26, 27.
No. That this is only from 11 to 19. For 20, it has to be modified. The same thing will work with 29. See, the same thing will work with 21 to 29. But a little modification would be needed.
Okay,
The
got
same
it,
thing
sir.
would be work with yes. But for now, just practice with 11 till 18. Practice with 11 till 18.
मजनब ने नाम क्या लेते थे
And
लिखा है
21 onwards, little modification is needed. And I find these exercises. Yes, go ahead. Okay, that is fine. So 11 to 19 you can use for when you are using 20 as a base. This is kind of, we call it base 10. So the base is 10. You are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Okay, so this is how it goes. And I will put this. I'm recording it. The recording takes time. I will record it and then upload it on the Facebook. So next time, promise me 2 things. If there is no lockdown in your place, go for a walk, look for mathematics anywhere, look for the patterns where you are sitting in your house, in your books, in the newspaper you see. You will find patterns everywhere. You will find patterns everywhere. You see here, this is the most famous building in Greece, and you see how it is constructed. There is a beautiful geometry in it, like you see here. There is a specific geometrical pattern in it. Next time we will try to discuss this one. When you see pineapple, you don't see hexagons here, but you see there are hexagon patterns in when you cut a pineapple. You see these are the hexagon patterns like this.
क्लास के
So start looking, develop new eyes, new ways of thinking,
9 8
new
9
ways of looking at things.
प्रिंटर के ऊपर देखो
Okay, so we will call it a day. We will end the session now. And if you have any questions, do write into me. The time passes very quickly. 1 hour is never sufficient. It does. Thank you very much. We enjoy bringing these sessions to you, and I hope you also enjoy it. Sometimes we start with very silly kind of mathematics, and then we go deeper, and we don't know how we end up. This is how we do it.
And then when we see up, then we know how they.
If you don't understand anything, no problem. Write to me. I will try to explain it to you. Okay? And you can discuss it with your parents, with your friends. Have fun. Stay curious. If you have any questions, write to me. Okay, I will upload this there. Thank you very much for your time, and I greatly appreciate your trying to look mathematics in a different light. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have fun.
Bye. Have fun. Bye.
Recorded. But it is not broadcast live.
Yes, it's recorded.
So many students would